Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer, navigation system. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.